So what's the dealio, YouTube? Welcome back to Switching Lanes Detroit. You already know who I am, but if you don't, I'm TJ. I'm one half of the Switching Lanes Detroit team. Now, last week we had the pleasure of going down to the Detroit River where RADwood, they were putting on a show down in Detroit. Now, if you don't know where RADwood is, they have an event for 80s and 90s era vehicles. And when you come to their shows, they encourage you to dress that way. So that's actually pretty cool, man. You see all types of costumes or clothing, as you will see in the video here. Now the shirt I had on, we went simple. A family friend made it, Wonderful Designs on Facebook. I'll put her link down below. And she just gave me the shirt. I was going to pay for it, but she just gave me the shirt, and promo for her, promo for Switching Lanes Detroit, as you see it on the back of the shirt. So that was actually pretty cool, and we want to thank her for that. You know, if you're on Facebook, search her up and see if she can get you a shirt made. Promo code Switching Lanes Detroit, get you 10% off. No, I'm joking. We're not that far into it yet, but just talk to her and figure out, you know, what kind of shirt she could design for you and go from there. She actually made this shirt right here. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but it says Fraternal Order of Beards and Bellies. I'm copyrighting that, so don't you dare take it. I've been using that whatever for a long time. That's mine. I own it. I need to say something inspirational. Remember, you're never stuck in one lane. You can always switch lanes and go do something else. How was that? We'll try better next time. All right, peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Switching Lanes Detroit. Today we got something special for you. We're here for the 2019 RADwood Detroit Festival, and as you can see behind me, got all the cars already lined up. So let's go in here, get some good footage. Back to the 80s and the 90s we go. Let's go. man. It's heavy, man. Oh, man.
Oh no!
Oh man!
Oh no! Shit! Hey, you're the only other guy with the...
Oh man! Look.
Oh dang!
Check.
I'm like, oh, somebody's gonna.
I mean, you got good taste, man. Good taste. Good taste.
That's funny.
Almost. Heavy, baby. A lot of money there. Really did real good on this one. That's a wrap on the 2019 RADwood Detroit. I think they're telling us to leave. Hope you guys enjoyed this footage. We'll catch you next time. Peace.